Welcome to Profloan 3. This video will cover solving for residual or balloon using the world's best financial loan calculator. Before viewing this video, users should familiarise themselves with Profloan 3 basics and solution patterns. When solving for a residual, cost net, term, and interest rate and a solution pattern are mandatory. The solution pattern may consist of any positive number, including 0. Therefore, structured patterns are acceptable no matter how complex. Now simply click on the Solve for Residual button. Note the residual. This concludes this video.